Good morning students. Today we will start our chapter 12 electricity. Okay. So in the electricity we have to study about the different electric components which are placed in an electric circuit. As you can see in the diagram, there are different electric components are placed in this circuit. Okay. We have to study about these components in details. What is the function, what is the units, okay, what is electric current, volt, potential difference, okay, ammeter, voltmeter, and resistance. Okay, it has an important role in modern society. Electricity, without electricity it is impossible for us today to work. Okay, so it is a controllable and convenient form of energy for a variety of uses in homes, schools, hospitals, industries, and so on. It has wide and variety of uses. Okay, so what is this electricity is made up of? What is this actually, and how does an electric circuit it flows? Okay, how this electric circuit works we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so before starting the electric current, that is our first topic, the electric current and the electric circuit. Okay, we have seen the air current and water current. Okay, there is a current in air and water current, that the flowing water is known as the water current in reverse. Okay, and if the electric charge flows through a conductor, for example through a electric metallic wire, we say that there is an electric current in the conductor. So what is the electric current? The flow of electric charge. Okay, what is the electric current? The flow of electric charge through a conductor. Okay, what is the medium? Any conductor or metallic wires. Okay, we say that there is an electric current in the conductor. Okay, for example, in a torch we know that the cells or a battery, when placed in proper order, okay, everyone have torch, you can see there are batteries used inside it, they are known as cells. They have to be placed in proper order, which provides flow of charges or an electric current through the torch. Okay, and that leads to the glow of the bulb. Okay, that is a simple electric circuit. Okay, when we supply these batteries to the torch, the bulb will glow due to the flow of this electric current. We have also seen that the torch gives light only when the switch is on. So switch is also an important component of the electric circuit. Okay, circuit should have switch also to on and off the electric current. So what does this switch do? A switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. Okay, this switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb, and that circuit is the continuous and closed path of an electric current. Okay, a continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Now if the circuit is broken anywhere, or the switch off, the torch is turned off, the current stops flowing and the bulb does not glow. Okay, so what is the electric current? You can see, and in the flow of electric charge to the conductor. And what is the electric circuit? Electric circuit is the continuous and closed path of electric current. Continuous and closed path of electric current is called the electric circuit, and it should be continuous and closed. If from anywhere it is broken or the switch is off, then the current will not flow, current stops flow, and the bulb will not glow. Okay, how does we express electric current? We have to express this electric current in some expressions. Okay, so it is the expression comes from this definition. It is the flow of charge per unit time. What is electric current? Actual definition is the flow of charge or amount of the charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. Okay, amount of the flow of charge or charge flowing through a particular area in unit time is known as the electric current. In other words, it is the rate of flow of electric charges. Okay, what it is the electric current? It is the rate of flow of electric charges In circuits using metallic wires, electrons constitute the flow of charge. Okay, in circuits, that is the closed and conducting paths which allows the current to pass, the metallic wires provides the electrons which constitutes the flow of charges. The electrons were not known at the time when the phenomenon of electricity was first observed. Okay, so the electric current was considered to be the flow of positive charges. Okay, in the previous times the electric current was considered to be the flow of positive charges, and the direction of flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current. Okay, when in the earlier times the scientist is knows about only about the positive charges, and the electric current was considered as the flow of electric charges until they know about the electrons. Okay, in an electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of the flow of electrons, which are negative charges. Okay, so what is important? It is based on the flow of electrons. Okay, in an electric circuit, the flow of electrons is opposite to the electric current, and the direction of electric current in an electric circuit is taken in the opposite direction of the flow of electrons, which are the negative charges. Okay, so in this paragraph we have studied about the electric circuit, electric current, flow of electrons, the reason for the electric currents. Okay, so electric currents are due to the flow of electrons, the flow of charges per unit area, per unit time. Okay, so what is the expression comes out to be? Flow of charge per unit time, that is capital I. Capital I is the current, and it is the flow of charge per unit time through any cross section of a conductor. Okay, a SI unit of electric charge is coulomb, which is equivalent to the charge containing only 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Okay, what is the SI unit of electric charge? It is coulombs. Okay, and it contains this much of electrons, 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. And an electron possesses a negative charge, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Okay, so the electric current is expressed by a unit called ampere, which is named after the French scientist Henri Marie Ampere. Okay, 1775 to 1836, and 1 ampere is constituted by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. Okay, जो 1 एम्पियर है उसको क्या वैल्यू है उसकी? 1 कोलम अपॉन 1 सेकंड. ठीक है ना, 1 कोलम अपॉन 1 सेकंड, that is 1 ampere. Okay, so small quantities of current are expressed in milliamperes and microamperes also, and the instrument used for measuring the current is known as the ammeter in any electric circuit. Okay, ammeter is connected in series in a circuit through which the current is to be measured, and this is shown in the diagram. Here ammeter is connected in series. Okay, there is a switch, there is a battery or cell, plus minus sign, current I is flowing, and there is a bulb placed which is a load resistance. Okay, and when the closed conducting path, the switch is turned on or the key is placed, then the current will flow and the bulb will glow in this electric circuit. Okay, the cell, electric wire, ammeter and plug key is there in this electric circuit. Okay, so this is all about electric current and electric circuit. Okay, you have to learn this and write notes about it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.